Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook Messenger messages. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open a conversation in your Messenger app. This can be any chat where you've sent messages that you'd like to remove, whether it's a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Once you're inside the conversation, scroll through and find the specific message you want to delete. Take your time to locate the exact message, as you'll be able to choose different deletion options in just a moment. Now, here's where the action happens. Simply press and hold on that message until a menu pops up with several options. From this menu, click on Delete. This is the key step that gives you control over removing your messages. After clicking Delete, you'll see two different options appear on your screen. The first option is Delete for everyone, and the second is Delete for you. These options are important because they determine whether the message disappears just from your view or from everyone's in the conversation. Let's explore both so you understand exactly what happens with each choice. First, let's click Delete for everyone. When you select this option, the message will be removed from the conversation for all participants. If you look at the chat now, you can see that the message has been deleted for everyone involved. This is particularly useful when you've sent something by mistake or want to completely retract a message from the conversation. Keep in mind that other participants may have already seen the message before you deleted it, but it won't be visible in the chat history anymore. Next, let's try the other option. Hold down another message you want to remove, then click Delete again. This time, click Delete for you instead. This option works differently because it only removes the message from your own view of the conversation. You can see that the message disappears from your screen, but the other person or people in the chat can still see it on their end. This is helpful when you want to clean up your own chat history without affecting what others see, and that's it. You've now learned both ways to delete messages in Facebook Messenger and understand the difference between removing a message for everyone versus just for yourself. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.